Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can delete apps from your Motorola Moto G53. For that, you want to go ahead and look for the app that you want to delete, and if you found one, you just press and hold, move it around, and then you have that menu here, remove and uninstall. I'm going to say remove now, and then the app is deleted from our home screen, but if we go to our menu, Facebook is still there. So we need to press and hold, move it around, and then click on uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Yes, and then uninstall Facebook. So Facebook is not on our home screen anymore and also not in our menu. So if you click on remove, then the app will disappear from your home screen, but is still on your phone. If you really want to have it off your phone, you need to click on uninstall. So that's how you delete apps from your Motorola Moto G53. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.